Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on Hammerblade V. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, inside and navigate to special function. Right here, first option is smart answer, and when activated you'll be able to pick up calls automatically by lifting your phone to your ear. Then we have anti-fake touch mode, which reduces the chance of your phone unlocking and performing any action when it's in the pocket. Then we have 3-finger screenshot. It works like this, so you swipe 3 fingers from top of the screen to take a screenshot. Then there's a sensor calibration. I'm gonna skip that has almost nothing to do with that gestures and motions. Then we have quickly open camera, and to quickly open camera press the power button twice. Works like this. Next one is a gloves mode, which makes your phone much easier to use when you have gloves on, so enable it, for example, in the winter. Then we have double tap to wake up. When activated, you can double tap when your phone is locked to wake it up. There's also lift to wake, and I'm going to show you both of the functions right now. So we can lock our phone, double tap to wake up the screen. Then you can also lift your phone to wake up the screen without touching any buttons. Next one is new message bright screen. So when activated and you have your phone locked, and you receive a message, your phone will brighten up to notify you that you have a message pending. Then there's a side application bar, so it works like this. You need to swipe your finger from one side of the phone and then hold it in the middle. And it should open this sidebar, which allows you to quickly open any app that is visible right here. You can also customize it by clicking on those 3 dots on the bottom and then add many different, or actually all of the different apps that you have installed. And last one is press and hold power button to access your Google Assistant, and you can activate or deactivate it. Works like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.